We all know AI has great features, but how can it practically be applied to your day-to-day operations? And most importantly, how will it actually save you time in your warehouse? You don't need a ton of time or a data analyst to leverage your ERP data. You just need Wisys AI and to ask the right questions. With Wisys Agility Chat Agent, you can use natural language prompts to analyze your SAP Business One data. Let's take a real example. Using bin analytics transaction details, we ask, what bin code is used the most in this dataset? Instantly, the chat agent scans historical ERP data and gives us the answer. We can refine the data, excluding system and staging bins to focus only on storage bins. Then, ask for a visual overview to see the bigger picture of warehouse activity. Finally, we ask the AI to recommend solutions based on your data. In moments, you have the knowledge to optimize warehouse and inventory space. Your entire operation will feel the improvements. An organized operation is an efficient operation. With Wisys Agility Chat Agent, you don't just get AI features, you get AI that saves you time. Follow the links to learn more or talk to a Wisys team member.